Let's all welcome the star of Kizuna, Lala Chan. Say hi, Lala Chan. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Kizuna Legazpi. Ayan, nasa ballpark area, Lala Chan. Let's say hi. Hello, everyone. Let's say hi, Lala Chan. Alright, Lala Chan. Ang dami ng ating kids ngayon sa ballpool area. Hi, everybody. Sundan natin si Lala Chan. Come on. Ayan, maglalaro tayo kasama si Lala Chan. Siyempre, Lala Chan, huwag natin kakalimutan dito sa Narikiri area. Hello, everyone. Let's say hi, Lala Chan. Hi, Lala Chan. And let's follow Lala Chan here. Ayan, maglalaro tayong lahat. Say hi. Hi, Lala. Ayan, hi. Ayun, umiiyak yata pero nag-hi. Come here, ayan. Kasali tayo kay Lala Chan. Siyempre, Lala Chan, huwag din natin kakalimutan dito sa ating toy corner. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Kizuna Legazpi. Let's say hi, Lala Chan. Hi, Lala. Ayan, i-invite ko kayo ni Lala Chan. Dito po sa ating events area, maglalaro tayo kasama siya. Siyempre, yung nasa trampoline area. Say hi. Hi, Lala! Ayan, grabe pinakikilay din Lala. Maglalaro rin kayo kasama siya. Let's go, everybody! Ayan, maglalaro si Lala siya. Kung nasa baby corner, you're also welcome to join us. Ayan, dami po kayo dito sa aming event area. Kasama po si Lala Chan. At lahat ng gustong sumali, dapat nandito na in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, lahat po, pwede pong sumali. Ayan, wala po dito age limit. Ayan, lahat ay pwedeng sumali. Kahit si Mami, tawagin si Mami kung gustong sumali. Ayun, Lala Chan, okay lang ba na si Lola? Okay lang daw. Ayan, lahat talaga ay pwedeng sumali. Now, kids, when I say hi, you will say hello. Hi! Lakasan pa natin. Hi! Ayan, Lala Chan, nandito ng ating mga kids. So, maglalaro na tayo kasama si Lala Chan. Are you ready to play? Lakasan pa natin. Are you ready to play? Ayan, maglalaro na tayo. Pero bago yan, before we start, yes, Lala. Okay, Lala Chan. I am requesting all the guardians to please stay outside of the event area so we can maximize the space. Alright, thank you so much. Kids, meron si Lala Chan game ngayon at kasali kayong lahat. Pero bago yung Lala Chan, magpapakilala muna tayo. We are the event team of Kizuna Legazpi. My name is Kuya Ron together with Ate Da, Ate Chona, and of course, our very own 5 years old pink squirrel, the very bubbly and jolly Lala Chan. Say hi, Lala Chan. Hi, Lala! Ayan, Lala Chan, magpe-play na naman tayo kasama sila. Kaya naman, Lala, let's start the game. Ay, bakit no? Bakit no, Lala? Okay, sabi ni Lala Chan, magda-dance daw muna tayo bago tayo mag-play. Okay? Sino magaling mag-dance dito? Taas ang kamay. Ayan, magaling daw mag-dance. Okay lang yung mga hindi marunong kasi tuturuan tayo ni Lala Chan. The first step is clap your hands, okay? Hands, clap, clap, clap. Very good. Lala, next. Lala is stomp your feet. Ganyan daw, iaabag natin yung ating mga paa. Okay, Lala Chan. Are you ready, Lala? Ayan, ready na si Lala Chan. Kids, are you ready? Ay, lakasan ko natin. Kids, are you ready? Let's start. Let's clap our hands in 3, 2, 1, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Okay, get ready to wave your hands and wave. Very good. Good job, everybody. Okay, ang gagaling na. Now, let's clap our hands in 3, 2, 1, and clap.
Clap your hands.
Clap. Let's stomp.
Stomp your feet.
Okay, very good now. Let's swing our hands.
Swing your arms.
Swing, swing, swing your arms. Now shake, shake, shake.
And sing with me.
Shake, shake, shake. And let's wave again. Wave. Good job. Let's say hooray. In 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Hooray! sumayaw. Now please sit down tayo. And we're going to start the game. Lala Chan, our game for today is, ayan, hila-hila daw. Ano kaya yung Lala Chan? That is tug of war. Okay? Sino na nakapag-play ng tug of war? Ayan, lahat. Malalakas ba kayo? Sinong malakas dito? Taas ang kamay. Lahat? Ayan, lahat. Makita natin yan mamaya. Now, please sit down. Ayan, gusto nyo sumali? Lapit kayo dito. Eh, sige na, alam ko gusto nyo sumali. Lapit na kayo dito. Okay, ayan. So, our game for today is tug of war. So, nagamit po tayo ng rope. Ano po ito? Ano po ito? Very good. And this is the marker. Ang kulay ng marker natin is color pink. Anong color ng marker? This is color pink. Very good. So, ang gagawin natin, tataas yung kamay. At sasabihin ko, dalawang kamay dapat, okay? At sasabihin ko, 3, 2, 1, pull! Saka natin hihilain. Alright? Huwag mo natin hilain, pero ganyan mo na ang gagawin natin. Kay Ate Shona, tingnan natin ang mabuti. Dapat malakas na malakas. Pag napunta sa inyo ang ating marker, meron kayo 1 point. Ilang point daw po? Ilang point daw po? Very good. You got 1 point. Okay? At kailangan natin maka 2 points. At kung sino maka 2 points na una, siya ang mananalo. Okay, naintindihan po ba? Naintindihan po ba? Okay, yes, Lala. Okay, Lala Chan, thank you so much, Lala. Sabi ni Lala Chan, before we start the game, meron mo na siyang safety reminder. Ano yung Lala Chan? The first is no pushing. No pushing. Second is no jumping. Wala pong tatalon. And syempre, Lala, hold the rope firmly. Hawakan ng mabuti ang hilain ng malakas na malakas para manalo tayo. And syempre, ang pinaka-importante Lala Chan, manalo matalo lahat po tayo ay panalo dito sa kids zone na. Okay, naintindihan po ba si Lala Chan? Naintindihan po ba? Okay, now please stand up. And group yourself into 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Ang gagawin natin, ayan, take 8 yata or 7. Okay, hatiin na po natin sila Ate Da at Ate Ba, Ate Chana. Okay. Kids, arms forward. Okay, Lala Chan kami kay Lala Chan. Okay, arms forward. Doon kayo titingin. Doon titingin. Okay, hawakan niyo ito Team B. And Team A naman sa kabila. Very good, Team A. Dito kayo, Team A. Forward, please. Move forward. Okay, Lala Chan. Dito tayo sa Team A natin. Mukhang malalakas ang ating Team A. Lala Chan, ano nito shout natin? Ayan, dapat lalakasan, no, Lala? Okay, Team A. Very good. Sabihin natin, i-shout natin, go Team A! Go Team A! Lakasan natin. Sabay-sabay. In 3, 2, 1. Ay, isa lang. Isa lang. Dapat madami. Go Team A! Go Team A! Ayan, malakas. Narinig niyo yung Team B? Malakas ang ating Team A. Ayan, dito naman tayo sa Team B. Team B, syempre sasabihin ninyo, go Team B! Go Team B! Sabay-sabay in 3, 2, 1. Go Team B! Go Team B! Ayan, malakas nga. Sabay-sabay nga. Team A! Go Team A! Go Team A! Team B! Go Team B! Go Team A! Go Team B! Okay, Lala Chan. Punta tayo sa ating ballpool area. Isigaw natin. Go Team A! Go Team B! Go Team A! Okay, please. Sunod na tayo kay Lala Chan. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang po. Ayan, gusto kong marinig nasa ng Team A and Team B. Okay, kids. Team A, dito po kayo sa ating right side. And Team B naman, dito po kayo sa ating left side. And syempre, ini-invite din po natin ang ating mga parents and guardians na pumunta dito sa ating Team A or the Team B para mag-cheer. Okay? Alright, where's the Team B? I need the Team B. Where's the Team B? Raise your hands. Ayan, ilan na nag-cheer dito sa ating Team A. Nasa na ang mga guardians ng Team A? Ayan, nandito 1, 2, 3. Alright, dito naman tayo sa Team B. Ilan naman ang guardians dito sa Team B? Ayan, isa lang. Dalawa. Ayan, hanapin natin ang ating mga guardians. Team A and Team B. Please move forward. Ayan, nalalatsan. Hawakan natin lalatsan ang ating marker. Alright, please release the rope for a moment. Hands up, hands up, hands up everyone, hands up. Please release the rope for a moment. Hands up, release the rope. Good job, Team A. Team B naman, hands up, release the rope. Bitawan na rin ang rope. Good job. Alright, now where is the guardians of Team A? Taas naman ang kamay. Let's go on. Meron naman. Ayan dito. Alright, nasa naman ang guardians ng Team B? Taas ang kamay. Ayan nandito. Nandun sa labas, meron din. Okay, Team A. Are you ready, Team A? Lakasan pa natin. Team A, are you ready? Ayan, Team B. Are you ready? Alright, siguro ready na din si Lala. Are you ready? Ayan, guardians, are you ready? Let's start round 1. In 3, 2, 1, go! Pull, pull, go, 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 go! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Okay, hands up! Ayan, Lala siya. Nagagaling naman. Alright, palapakan naman natin si Lala siya. Ang galing-galing, no? Ayan, Lala siya. Ang nanalo sa round 1 ay Team B. You got 1 point. Very good. Sabi ko nga kanina, kailangan natin maka 2 points para manalo tayo. So, meron tayong second round. Alright? Hands up, everybody. Release the rope. Release the rope. Bitawan muna natin. Bitawan muna natin ang rope. Ayan, mukhang kailangan pang lakasan ng ating mga guardian mag-cheer. Okay, Lala Chan. Lala, are you ready, Lala Chan? Hawakan mo to, Lala Chan, na ating rope. Huwag muna natin hilain. Ayun, hinila na ni Lala Chan. Okay, Team A. Team A, hands up. Are you ready, Team A? Team A, are you ready? Ayun, parang mahina. Lakasan pa natin. Ay, gusto niyo sumali? Gusto niyo sumali, kuya? Ayun, parang gusto nila sumali. Team A, are you ready? Ayun, lakasan po natin ng konti. Are you ready? Ayan. Team B, are you ready? Ayan, malakas talaga ang Team B natin. Let's start round 2. In 3, 2, 1, go! Go, 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 pull, pull. 15, 14, 13, 12, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 15, oh, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. That's okay, Team A. Lala Chan, ang nanalo sa game natin, natalo for ay Team B! Congratulations! You got 2 points kaya kayo ang panalo sa game natin, natalo for. Very good! Alright, Team A, now hands up, hands up! Hands up! And let's give 5 claps for Team... Nasaan na yung Team B? Team B! Balik tayo Team B dito, okay? Let's give 5 claps for Team B at sasabihin natin, very good. Okay, are you ready to clap? Are you ready? Okay, let's clap in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Alright, Lala Chan, dito naman tayo sa kabila. PB. Okay, hands up. Taas ang kamay. Ayun, Lala Chan, huwag muna tayo mag-swimming, Lala Chan. Okay, nakagawin pa tayo, Lala Chan, mamaya na. Okay, hands up, Team B. Let's give 3 claps for Team A. At ang sabihin natin, good job. Alright, are you ready to clap? Are you ready to clap? Alright, let's clap in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Good job! Alright, Lala Chan, dito na tayo lalagyan sa ating event area. Ayan, for the surprise. Lala, are you ready? Ayun, padaan po tayo. Ayun, dadaan po si Lala Chan. Thank you! Okay, Lala, tama po. Alright, everybody. Ayan, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Ang magaling na naman. Okay, Lala Chan, ready ka na ba? Sa surprise? Ayun, ready na si Lala Chan. Okay, now touch your head. Shoulder, 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 head. Knees, where's the knees? Toes, toes. Lala Chan, where's your toes? The neck, Lala, where's the neck? Neck, where's the neck? Lala, where's the neck? Huwag mo kami ginaloko, Lala. Ayan, nandyan pala ang neck ni Lala Chan. Ready ka na ba, Lala? Okay, let's do the final dance before the giveaways. Lala Chan, taas ang kamay, Lala. Ay, slowly up pala. Sabi ni Lala Chan, slowly up and slowly down. Get ready to jump, everybody. In 3, 2, 1, and jump, jump, jump. And march, march. Very good. Down. Alright, one more. Alright, down, down, down. Get ready, everybody, to show your hands. In 3, 2, 1. Make a wave. Touch your shoulders. Touch your head. Let's jump, jump. Now let's wave. Make a circle. Make a fish. Let's march, march, march. And then jump. And jump. Very good. Wave, wave, wave. Pushing. Let's point. Kabila naman. Let's bend your knees. Touch your heart. Turn around. And let's jump, 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 jump. Down, down, down. Let's march again. One more, last one. Alright, let's jump in 3, 2, 1, jump! Ayan, Lala Chan, palapakan mo naman sila. Ang gagaling naman mag-dance. Okay, now please sit down. Sit down tayo lahat. Get ready, everybody, to open the box. Let's open the box by saying 3, 2, 1, surprise! Okay, Lala Chan, sabay-sabay tayo. Kids, 3. Ay, parang hindi Lala Chan naririnig. Lakasan pa natin. Kids, 3. Surprise! Nilalagay sa inyo ang mga giveaways niya. Yan, balik na kayo kumuha dito, kids. Okay, Lala, doon ka na, Lala, sa gilid. Ay, sa gitna pala. Okay, pag nakakuha na tayo, please sit down. Katabi ni Lala Chan, magkakaroon tayo na group picture taking. That's why, parents and guardians, please be ready sa ating group picture taking. Pwede po kayo kumuha ng photo dito sa unahan natin. Okay? Okay, everybody now please sit down. Sit down tayo lahat. And raise your balloon. Raise your balloon. Raise, raise, raise. And wave that and away. Very good. Now please sit down everybody. When I say Kizuna, sit down muna tayo, sit down. Okay, when I say Kizuna, everybody will shout, hooray! Okay? Anong isa-shout natin? Ayan, pero gusto ko yung malakas na malakas, alright? Let's practice in 3, 2, 1, kids, una. Ayan, very good. Gusto ko malakas pa, okay? Sabay-sabay tayo. Parents and guardians, sa gitna po tayo para mas maganda po kuha natin. Okay, kids, sabay-sabay. In 3, 2, 1, kids, una. One more. This is the last one. Lakasan natin. In 3, 2, 1, kids, una. Hooray! Smile po sa mga camera nila, Mommy and Daddy. Okay, please remain seated. May message mo sa iyo si Lala Chan. Ano yung Lala Chan? Na gusto mong sabihin sa kanila. Please, sit down lang muna tayo. Yes, Lala Chan. Ayan. Ayan, nag-enjoy daw si Lala Chan. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yes, kasi si Lala Chan nag-enjoy kasama kayo ngayong hapon. That's why she said thank you so much. Sino gusto mag-birthday kasama si Lala Chan? Taas ang kamay. Ayan, that is why we are inviting all the parents and guardians na magpagod na po dito sa amin sa Medyo Aligas. Before more information, please do not hesitate to ask our friendly staff. Alright, Lala Chan? Let's say bye-bye to Lala Chan kasi may party pa siyang pupuntahan. So let's say, bye Lala Chan! Alright, see you again everybody tomorrow at 3:15 in the afternoon for another sports activity. Bye everybody, thank you so much for joining us today. Bye! Yung mga gusto po pa picture sa trampoline area lang po tayo.